Hello everyone, bring another market video, in this case OTC strategy. The same for moving average, is move average. 20 period for that one, simple movement, that's movement. The other one, 50, origin, 100 white, okay, and 200 for blue. Now we are good to do that. So guys, that's very simple. The first entry on that JPY is jump and that we see the movement resolving around average, okay? All the candles just pass through and break all the lines together. It breaks strongly. Here we see a small test, that is a small pullback rejection, so I'm entering because the continuation trend because that's, okay? The price is below the average. Look for the 50 line. That is, look as distance of the fall is longer. Red candle 3-1. Okay, it's possible to position will occur. What could happen here is that it's fall very quickly to here and that rebound and lose the position. But let's see, that's not gonna happen. I don't know when it's fall that's will react very quickly or not. Let's see. Okay. Almost 5 seconds for this is very volatile. And look, these guys are first position. Turns out that's pretty good. $38, okay? All those are what's close because the candle ends very close. Look at this, 4 red candles. There's a downward rejection and upward rejection while we have the first success. It's coming through. Maybe I should have entered early if possible or waited for it to come back, enter both as well. But well, I was conservative and entered that position, right? So let's look at this. The entry of session, I will take and explain it, okay? Upward entry on AUD-CAD OTC with $4. As again, guys, the candle just passed through that on this point. Okay, this is something interesting. The price will start to play between. Would complicate my entries or would false entries because the price goes up suddenly and then goes down suddenly. We need to pay attention. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. We see the assets, okay? That's the sales, just tells me where exactly does the entry occur. On the 20 average and movement, that's a support entry could be stronger. But in 1 minute, that's not, which is what an interest for me, right? Almost 10 seconds for that. We are about to get this one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom! We got this, baby. Another one. 76 of profits. Look at this. Now I got this with $80. Then 5 again. Let's continue with that one. Pretty good. And look at this point, guys. Okay? Pay attention on this. Now Euro JPY, we got another situation that's pretty good. Okay, that's nice. I entered that. This is coin rise and hit barred for a while, and the end is measured, and the movements quickly provide me rights, not the very fast moments, and give me the upward position. Okay. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. And look at that, it's almost 30 seconds for that remaining. I will wait to see how it's closed, but it looks like you're going to be win without suffering. That's good enough trend. And there are only a few seconds, and look at this operation. Wow, that's direction win. Look at this, baby, $153. That is amazing. $156 in the total. That is good, guys. With OTCs, moving candles is more reliable. Look, I can go along here, the average that is slowing down quickly, and it's up here. Try this move average. It's markets and how did it work for you. Leave your opinion in the comments. Have you tried this move average strategy? Alright, those the markets want to see this more effective than EMAs. Of course, I always trade with the trend. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the day live stream, guys. Have a great day and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Actually, right now, wish good profits, good operation. See you. Bye bye.